the 80s? Oh, remember the 90s?
Do you remember May 2019? Well, that's when Unbroken Bonds was released. Today, you can pick yourself up a pack for $32. The top hit is the Gardevoir and Sylveon at $489, followed by the Charizard and Reshiram at $180. Let's see what bangers lie within. We have a Fighting type energy, Fearow, Charjabug, Pyukamuku, that's a hard one, Zubat, Jigglypuff, Bellsprout, Diglett, Poliwag, Reverse Meowstic. Oh yes, we got something again. Let's go. Oh man, that is awesome. I love this card. Tag team, are you kidding me? One pack magic. Oh man, this one is definitely going off to be graded to go in my collection. Well, if you enjoy the content, please like, comment, and subscribe. And trainers, go collect them all.